This is a Zippo I found. Unfortunately, it lost its spring in the butt of it, not because it didn't have it, but because I took it apart, and this stole it. Look at the furry little thief. I suspect he may be a member of the church trying to sabotage my life. Confess. Well, so I'm going to show you how to fix a Zippo, if you don't have a spring and you're a poor fuck like me, with a broken Bic lighter and a cotton swab. So, with the Bic lighter, I find a lot of these at the beach. They're always broken most of the time. Sometimes you leave them out long enough, they'll start flicking, but they never light. So this one's broken, or it's out of fuel at least. That'd be another video on how to refill these. You want to take this apart. So it has this metal thing right here. You just take the knife, you pop it right there, pull it off, and then this wheel that turns, the striker. It's really cool, honestly, but you're going to take this off, and you want to be careful with this, because what's going to happen is this is spring-loaded, and the little striking stone in there is going to try to pop and fly out, but what you want is the spring. So, we take this out, and you take the spring, this is the spring, alright, and if you have your flint in the Zippo, the flint's already in there, you put the spring on top of that flint in there, and then you take your cotton swab, like this, and you fudge. You want to cut it to about that length, okay? So we're going to cut the swab in the middle, and then we're going to cut the end off. There we go. And there you go. This little tube here, I got the little measuring stick here for you. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's roughly what you're looking at right there. That's about how long you want it. Okay. And you take that, you put it down in the booty of the Zippo. It should sit in there like this, a little bit sticking out. Take the case, put it on the Zippo, and then it should light, but this one's a little temperamental because it was out there in the woods for so long. We might need to refuel it because I did have it out, so. Making me look like an ass, Zippo. You're making me look like an ass. Okay. And you take your Zippo and you strike it. Voila. Working Zippo lighter using garbage.